Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: hardware, permissions, and a matching sample rate. Plug your Rode device into USB, then grant the app microphone and input permissions in your operating system. Once that's accepted, open Rode Connect and pick the device from the input list. Make sure sample rate is 48,000 Hz for best sync. You will also set buffer size to balance latency versus CPU load. These first actions create the stable foundation needed for multi-track recording and streaming. Once devices are visible, assign each microphone to its own channel and label them so you can work fast. Enable solo or mute to isolate sources during setup. This prevents bleed when testing. Next, add processing. Start with a gentle high pass, then a compressor with medium attack and release, and finish with a de-esser if sibilance appears. Make sure to route Rode Connect output to your target app. Use the virtual output or an aggregate device for DAWs and streaming software to keep levels consistent. Now you record. Use headphones, set gain so meters peak near -6 dB, and press record for multi-track capture. Once done, stop and export each track as WAV or MP3, confirming bit depth and 48,000 Hz sample rate to match your project. If you run into problems, audio dropouts, clicks, or no input, restart the audio driver, reselect the device in Rode Connect, and try reducing the buffer size to reduce latency. A quick driver reset usually restores stable operation without losing recordings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.